I was super excited. Never been in a parade before. I feel so great, especially to be here with all the other people that I know I can relate to.
We've got floats, we've got beads, we've got it all. This event is really important for our kids here, especially when they're stuck in their rooms or they're stuck in the hospital. They're not allowed to get exposed to some of the stuff outside the community. So we are bringing Gasparilla to that.
It's important for me to be in this parade because I get to see the nurses and they're cheering for me, and I know that I can do anything with them by my side. And St. Joseph's was always here to help me.
Messiah, he has a straight face all the time. It's his personality. But at least it was good to see that he then started passing everybody a bead, and I thought that was the cutest. And a lot of kids associate hospitals with scary, and I don't want to. So for him to get this experience after is just beautiful.
All the nurses are always helping me, and especially my mom, so that she sometimes has a hard time, and she understands that I have things. But especially with St. Joseph here to help me, my mom feels better, and I wouldn't be able to do this right now without them.